So this video will talks about how to draw the negative fractions on number line. Negative fractions on number line. Okay, so let's start the video. How to put negative fractions on number line. So in this video also we will discuss about improper fraction, proper fraction, and how to convert improper into mixed fraction. Okay, so let's start the video. So this is the proper fraction. So how it is proper, I already told you in the previous video what is a proper fraction. Proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is always smaller than the denominator. Okay, numerator is always smaller than the denominator. So here numerator is 3 and denominator is 4. So 3 is less than 4. So yes, this is a proper fraction. Now how to put it on the number line, this fraction. Okay, so to put it on the number line, so first let's draw a number line. So this is the number line. In between, you know, this is 0. Okay, in the right side you have the positive numbers and in the left side you have the negative numbers. Because your fraction is a negative number, because there is a negative sign, so always remember, whenever you have a proper fraction and it is negative, whenever you have a proper fraction and it is negative, the fraction will always lie between 0 and -1. Always remember this thing. Okay, now because this is a negative fraction, so it will lie in the left hand side. So after 0 we have -1. Now we have to do the same thing. What we have to do after this, so please see, just a second. So what you have to do, you have to see the denominator. Which is the denominator? Denominator is 4. So we have to divide this part between 0 and -1 into 4 parts. So to do the equal 4 parts, we will put 3 lines in between. Less than 4, which is 3. Okay, 1 less than 4, which is 3. So we have to draw 3 lines. If the denominator is 5, then we have to make 4 lines in between. If the denominator is 6, then we have to draw 5 lines in between. Because the denominator here is 4, so we have drawn 1 line less, which is 3. Okay, so 3 equal lines. And always remember, please always draw the number line by using the ruler or the scale, because these parts should be equal. These parts should be equal. Okay, the distance should be equal between every parts, right? Now please remember, now from the 0 we have to start. So this is 1/4, this is 2/4, and this is 3/4. It means the number which you have to put on the number line is this. So this is -3/4. Okay, so very important thing that you have to understand, when the fraction is a proper fraction, the number will always lie between 0 and 1. But if the fraction is negative fraction, the number will lie between 0 and -1. If it is positive, then 0 and 1. If it is negative, then 0 and -1. Okay, so this is the point where you have to see. So this is -3/4. Okay, now moving towards the next part. Let's take another example, which is suppose -8/9 we have to draw. So what we will do, we will draw a number line, because we know that this is a proper fraction, because the numerator is less than the denominator and denominator is 9. This is a proper fraction and it is negative. So this number will lie between 0 and -1. I have taken that much distance because I know the denominator here is 9. So to do the 9 equal parts, how many lines I will draw? I will draw how many lines? 8 lines, smaller lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. And please remember, use the ruler to make a equal distance. So because my distances are not that much equal, because I have used my pen only. Okay. So starting from 0, so 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9, 6/9, 7/9, and this is 8/9. So this is the number that you have to draw on the number line. So this is 8/9. Okay, so like this you can easily make the fractions, put the fractions on number line. Now moving towards an improper fraction. So let's see. Yes, so here the improper fraction is -13/4. -13/4. I already told you, whenever you have an improper fraction, you have to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction first. Okay, then only you will understand how to draw it on the number line. So to convert it into the mixed fraction, what we will do, we will divide 13 over 4 by 4. Okay, 13 by 4. So 4 times 3 is 12, because 4 times 4 is 16, which is greater than 13. So can't take it. So 13 minus 12 is 1. So 1 is remainder. So how to convert this? Whatever is the quotient that's come in between, and what is the remainder? 1. So 1 is over, and divisor is 4. So 4. So because it's a minus sign, so the conversion of minus 13 over 4 into the mixed form is minus 3 whole 1 over 4. So this is the mixed form of this fraction. Now, how to draw it on the number line? So first we have to draw it on the number line. So let's see how to draw. So this is 0 I am taking, because this is a negative fraction. So we have to draw it on the left hand side. First, see what is the middle number. Middle number is 3. So middle number is 3. So this whole mixed fraction will lie between 3 and 4. The middle number is 3. So this is 0. This is 1. This is minus 1, minus 2, and minus 3. And this is, I am taking little much difference between minus 3 and minus 4, because I have to put this number, right? Now, minus 3. Please see first the middle number. This is minus 3. So the whole fraction will lie between 3 and 4. Minus 3 and minus 4. After that, what you have to see? You have to see the whole of the fraction. What is that? Is 1 over 4. So same thing you have to do. You have to do, denominator is 4. You have to do 4 equal parts. So to do 4 equal parts, what you have to do? You have to make 3 equal lines like this. Okay. So 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part. So starting from the left, starting from the right, so it is 1 over 4. 1 over 4. So this is 1 over 4. So this number is, because we have to draw 1 over 4 now. So this number which you have to see, that is minus 3 whole 1 over. So this is minus 13 over 4 is the number that we have to put on the number line. Okay. So let's take another example. Let's take another example. Suppose I have to draw minus 17 over 5. Minus 17 over 5. So what we will do, first we will convert this into the mixed form. So to convert it into the mixed form, we have to divide 17 by 5. So 5 times 3 is 15, because 5 times 4 is 20, which is greater than 17. So the remainder is 2. Okay. So the conversion of this fraction into the mixed form is minus 3 in between, because the quotient is coming in between, remainder above, and divisor this. So minus 3 whole 2 over 5 is the mixed form of this fraction, right? Now let's talk about how to put this on the number line. So this is 0, because this is a negative number, so it will lie in the left hand side. Now see the middle number. So middle number is minus 3. So this number will lie between 3 and 4. Minus 3 and minus 4. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, and here we have minus 4. Okay. Now see the whole part. This is 2 over 5. This is the fractional part. Okay. This is the whole part, and this is the fractional part. So 2 over 5. So what is the denominator? 5 is the denominator. So we have to draw 4 lines to make 5 equal parts. So 1 line, 2 line, 3 line, 4 line. Okay. So starting from the right, so 1 over 5 and 2 over 5. So this is 2 over 5, which we have to draw. So this point is the minus 17 over 5, right? Minus 17 over 5. Is that clear? So first we have to see the whole part, which is minus 3, and then we have to see the fractional part. Okay. So like this, we can easily draw the improper fraction on the number line, and which is negative. So, okay. So thank you, everyone. Thank you so much.